Rocky, you've never seen Rocky.
Alright guys, so how I've got it set up here is the tank is bolted in right there going down to the pump, which goes all the way down, and the controller is actually underneath the seat. There's the controller right there. Don't worry about these Fahrenheit plugs, non-Fahrenheit seat, but yes, controller is there. All the wires and the sensor, the boost sensor, is under there. It's tucked underneath the carpet, as a matter of fact. Oh, it's that one right there with the white and red wires. And it runs up to the engine bay along with my boost gauge. Everything runs back up to the pump via some wires. Got my ground right there. It's kind of close to the positive wire. I need to change that. But yeah, other than that, I mean, if you don't know to go looking for it, you're probably not going to see it. I think this is kind of stealth. I wanted to have both of them recessed, but I'm not drilling into the exterior of the car just to hang a meth tank. But yeah, next is going to be some benchmark testing to kind of see what happens with and without meth.
Yeah, the controller's right here. It's still on. I gotta figure out how to get it off while the car is off, but
yeah, making progress. I still haven't been able to wire up the LED properly to get it to show me when it's on, but I think I have to get a solenoid for that.